guys, welcome back to my channel Craft Engineer. As we all know that summer vacations is a favorite time of the kids because they have lots of time for fun and to do new things. But as a parents, it's a big challenge for us to keep themselves busy. That's why I'm going to share with you guys a beautiful kids craft, or you can say it's a back to school project for your little one. So keep watching till the end of this video and don't forget to hit on like button and subscribe my channel also. Thank you.
Take A4 size paper and draw a circle like this, then cut it into a shape. You can choose here different colors of paper as per your desire. Now our paper circle is ready here. We have chosen two different colors. One is orange and another green. Both combination is looking very nice. Now we have to fold from the middle of the circle. Our aim is to make crafting for fun and learning. Now all four paper circle is ready and we have to set it like this as instructed. It will turn into a beautiful card, and now we have to paste it with the help of glue each side. Your kids will definitely love to make this card, and it is useful for summer camp activities or kids crafting, small school projects. Look this. To write messages on the card, take another paper, fit it inside the card. Look here. You can use this card for your mother or your sister, brother and friends. Here I am writing message for my mom. Crafting with kids during holidays has its own benefits, like it helps you to make self-confidence or bonding with your kids. Now this card is ready, but here is a folding twist. So fold it like this as instructed. Now it turns into a beautiful card with beautiful combination. Look here. Now paste colorful tape on this. It's totally up to you, and your card is ready to present. If you are liking my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share your comment and like with us. We are waiting for that. Thank you.